In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images to Google Ads campaigns. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go inside your Google Ads account to add visuals that strengthen your message and help your ads stand out. First, sign into your Google Ads account and look to the left-hand side of the screen. Click on Campaigns on the left bar. This opens the main area where all of your campaigns live and gives you access to the creative settings tied to them. Next, expand the Campaigns section and select Asset Groups. Asset groups are where your creative elements, like headlines, descriptions, logos, and images, are organized for a campaign. Think of them as the place that tells Google which visuals and text it can mix and match to build your ads. Now, select the asset group for the campaign or campaigns you want to add images for. If you manage multiple campaigns, choose the one that needs new or updated visuals. Selecting the right asset group ensures your images are used with the correct campaign targeting and budget. Hover over the Assets column for that asset group, and you'll see a small pen icon appear. This icon is your Edit button for creative elements. Click on the pen icon to edit it, and you will be taken to the Asset Editing view for that specific group. Scroll down until you see the Images section. This is where you control the visuals that Google can use in your ads across placements. In the Images section, click Edit. This opens the Image Picker, where you can add new files or choose from available options. Now, start importing or selecting free stock images to add to the asset group. You can upload your own brand photography, or if you don't have images on hand, use the built-in free stock library for high-quality, relevant options. Choose images that clearly represent your product or service, are high resolution, and align with your brand colors and tone. Avoid visuals that are overly cluttered or text-heavy, since those can be cropped or scaled in ways that reduce readability. When you select images, take a moment to review how they appear in the previews so you're comfortable with the way they'll look across placements. And there you go. That's all. You've navigated to your campaign's asset group, opened the editor, and added images that Google can use to build better performing ads. If the interface looks slightly different on your screen, it may be due to updates, but the flow remains the same. Campaigns, asset groups, edit, images, and then add your visuals.